And so when you look for an MG, number one is rust. If it's rusted out, you're going to have problems. Number two, does it drive and shift fine? Number three, for cost, make sure the interior and top is okay. And then the engine, I would think, I have found is the easiest to work on. But you got to have the basis. This is just a real nice little example. Good tires. Just a fun little car. Well, this is the 1975 MGB Sports Car with wire wheels. This is the 25th anniversary model of this car, of the famous MGB line. Very nice car. So they've got original or new paint. It appears to be original. Wire wheels. Good decals. Good bumper. Good interior. I don't have the tonneau top on correctly. What's interesting from my point of view is that the interior is in real good shape with no real splits or seams. I checked the fan, transmission, drove it. The dash is not cracked, which I see on a lot of them. No damage to the windows or windshield. Steering wheel is not cracked, which is nice. The thing I saw was the RPM gauge is erratic. It bounces around. Like I say, not bad. Now the tonneau top has a hole in it. I'm not trying to put that on. The top is supple, but it's got two little tears, about 1/4 inch tears in the pinch points, and the frame could be painted for the tonneau top. Here for a little spin, just to show you that the transmission, everything shifts real nice. Kind of difficult to do with an iPod, steering and shifting at the same time. Going around the airport here. Brakes work real nice. Just a fun little sports car. Steering's real tight, that's good. Engine, just a real nice little car. That's our airport. This is on the driver's side looking at the rear wheel. The shackle seems to be okay. Again, there's light corrosion on the muffler, on the wheel jack. There's no rust through. There's a little potential hole there. I'm not sure above the muffler. But everything else looks real nice. There's on the other side of the muffler. This is on the passenger side. Again, the body looks real good. Again, this is the rear bumper. There's light rust under the rear bumper. There's light rust on the gas tank and exhaust. But everything else looks nice and solid. Okay, starting on the front, this is just under the front bumper. There's light corrosion on the underbody. On the frame, again, light corrosion. When you look up here, there's no holes in the fender wells. Looking back under the body, it looks real good. I see very light to minimal corrosion for a car this age. Here's the engine compartment. See, it's not really corroded. Like I say, there's a mechanical engineer that worked on this car. He works on a lot of MGs. He did put a manual choke on it, which he said was important. And he went all through the car and fixed it and made sure it was good. But like I say, the frame looks real good. But I'm going to take pictures under the frame too.